While I'm in the app, I could go over the shop tab here. So when you want to figure out like what's going on in the app, or basically like items that you could sell, you could come down here to showrooms, and these are all trendy items that are personal for you. But you can come down here and look and see what is trending and try to sell these items. So a lot of them probably gonna be hard to get. Some of these are really high name brand stuff, but if you happen to have some, you should try to get some. So like if we click on Fendi bags, it show you these are trending right now. These kind of bags are trending. And if you want to see what they selling for, you come down here to available, you hit sold items. Because no matter what you charge for it, that's not what you're gonna get for it, you know. So this one they got 650, 800. So if you can get some Fendi bags, whether used or brand new, because this one was new with tags, 700, little clutch, it'd be a good thing if you can get a hold of that. For people that don't know what a Poshmark party is, Poshmark parties are like virtual shopping events, and you go there and you can share your clothing, you can share other people's clothing, and buy clothing there. And they have 4 time frames where they start doing them. As you can see, I'm scrolling here. They got one at 4, and today at 7, and then it starts. They have another one tomorrow at 9, and the parties are all theme parties. So the one that starts at 4 o'clock today is a Best in Boutiques party. The purpose of Poshmark parties are to gain more exposure to your listings and to find other items that you might want to purchase. The Poshmark parties are hosted by other users in the app, within the app, and you have to apply to become a host. And there's, you know, all kind of benchmarks that you have to meet to be able to host a Poshmark party. So hopefully you learned what a Poshmark party is and what the showroom feature is. And if you have any more questions, just leave a comment below and I will be sure to try to answer it.